To be honest, the podcast is back.
Kalimutan niya kung anong pangalan niya.
Okay. To be honest, the podcast is back. I'm Denise.
And I'm Abby. And today we will be talking about, it's almost the end of January. And you might be watching this early February. So, kamusta ang New Year's resolutions?
Ano ba New Year's resolution ko?
Hindi pa nga natin nasisimulan eh. Parang this week pa lang tayo. At physical health, I think. Strength training.
Yeah.
Hindi pa natin nasisimulan yun. Pero, since tapos na or almost tapos na ang January,
Nakapag-scout naman tayo ng mga lugar na pwede.
na pwede natin. And ang mahal na pala ng gym ngayon. May membership na, may monthly pa. Ang gastos talaga nung journey pala na yun. Yan.
So, saan nila nakukuha yung pang-gym nila? Ang mahal eh! Parang pambayad ko na siya ng Meralco.
Oo. Especially those na may specific trainings like CrossFit,
Hyrox.
So how many of you can comment kung if you're able to stick to your New Year's resolution? I've heard some na to read more books, to cut down on some things, mga bisyo siguro, ganyan. So, and I read, because I used this in my Toastmaster speech few weeks ago, na nag-research ako kung ilan talaga yung nakakatapos ng New Year's resolution nila. And there's a certain percentage na
Meron talaga.
meron naman, pero nasa 1 to 2% lang yung nakakatapos or nagagawa nila for 11 to 12 months. So that's really a big challenge. I think it's more of the continuing or maintaining that change that you made than making that change talaga. So,
Ang hirap. No, kasi syempre, you have to fit in your New Year's resolution to your actual schedule. Lalo na if paiba-iba din yung, like, you get a new job or your job entails you to do this and that. There will always be a pause. So, to maintain it like 12 months in a year, medyo ang hirap niya talaga.
Oh, tsaka if you have a growing child, like kakapanganak mo pa lang, every month may new face yung bata. So, you also change your routine, di ba? Since we're talking about New Year's resolutions at may dumaan na truck, so we had to cut that part out. Medyo maingay sila, but okay. Nabudol na rin ba kayo ng mga friends niyo? Have you gone or started into your running era? Actually, we're in UP today. It's medyo may konting ambon. Pero
Drizzling.
madami pa rin naglalakad, tumatakbo.
It's free. And it's also medyo free. Siyempre, yung commute mo going here. Pero
No entrance.
No entrance. This is one of the cheapest way to be fit, no? Walking or running.
If you recall, in 2021 yata yun, yung nagkaroon ng Omicron at the start of the year. Diba? Nagkaroon din mga shortage sa mga gamot. So, start of the year, I think it also became my personal habit to update my medicine kit, my tita kit.
Yeah.
Kasi nga, either to check if some are expired already. And anong connection yon sa running era natin, no? So, we'd like to thank our friends from Share the Alaga Run. We've registered and the requirements are so simple. Yan, just download the Watsons app and walang payment to get a kit. I think they just have minimum purchase para makapasok or mag-qualify to get a code and be able to turn it into a kit and claim that kit.
Okay, mapaparaan ba tayo dahil medyo lumalakas?
Speaking of wellness, personal wellness, syempre kung meron kang emotional, meron kang mental, meron kang physical wellness, kamusta naman ang wellness ng puso? Because
Magva-Valentine's na.
Yeah, magva-Valentine's na. And dahil magva-Valentine's na, we have questions for each of us that we will discuss about Valentine's Day and relationships per se. Sabi ni Den kanina, ano yan? Huwag kong basahin sa'yo.
Oo, para natural lang yung reaction. Ay, hindi ko na pinag-isip. Hindi ko masyado mapag-iisipan.
So, question number 1. What's the best or worst Valentine's Day you've ever had and why does it still stick with you?
But in a relationship or not?
Bahala ka. Doesn't have to be with me.
Well, wala akong maisip. if it's not traffic. Pero there was one
Laging traffic kasi.
that stands out. Is it worse?
Worst or best? Up to you. What yung nare-remember mo?
Okay, feeling ko the best without being in a relationship is the one when lahat kami single eh. So we went to Baguio all together.
Barkada mo.
Barkada ko. Lahat ng single nung barkada ko. Tapos, thank you Yan for accommodating us.
In Baguio.
In Baguio, well, it's a free ride and a free hotel. So, one of our friends flew in from the States since she's gonna be with her dad, since there's a reunion with the PMA. That was memorable. And that was also the last time that we were all single. So, it's like, yeah, that's why
cool.
it's medyo memorable. So, after that, parang, that was the last hurrah. Tapos napunta kami sa better relationships.
That's nice. That's nice. I don't have anything that's remotely close na.
It's me. The joke.
No, I mean at that level. Syempre kasi iba yung friends and enjoying each other's company. Tapos not to mention, it's a free trip, di ba? You don't really need to think about expenses, etc.
What's your
speaking
best
of,
or worst? You should answer too.
wala eh. Kasi it's not a specific moment, but I like really, I
The
know
food.
no, I mean, alam ko naman na, you know I'm going to get you flowers for Valentine's. Pero I
Really?
still like creeping around and
But I
finding
still
a
get
way
surprised.
to buy it or ask Kay to buy it or basta lahat. Tapos laging I want it customized. Syempre, yun pa rin yung mga kaartehan ko. So question number 2. Do you believe Valentine's Day is meaningful or just a well-marketed guilt trip?
It's well marketed, pero not naman a guilt trip. It's one day to celebrate love. Pero honestly, hindi siya sa akin hindi siya masyado necessary. Kung okay naman yung relationship nyo. Pero it's an excuse to, express your love, express sa akin.
So, hindi necessary. So, hindi ka ma-feel bad kapag wala akong
Hindi, syempre,
Plastic.
tradition.
Plastic. Sabi mo, hindi necessary. And it's caught on camera. So, huwag ka mag-emote pagka tinulugan lang kita. Sa akin, if I feel it's very meaningful. Kasi,
Talaga.
oo nga.
I love
Kakainis
you.
ka. I mean, it's meaningful kasi nga, Christmas is very family for me. Your birthday is for you. Aside from, your anniversary. Kung walang wedding anniversary to celebrate and parang maganda pa rin kasi hindi ka ba nahahappy na
Happy naman ako.
Ibig sabihin, makikita mo yung mga tao na like nagde-deliver ng flowers or nakaka-receive ng flowers. It's that one day, at least dun
To
sa
express love.
mga nasa paligid natin, nakikita natin everyone's receiving something and giving
Okay.
something. Hindi ba sa Korea may ganyan din sila? Yung mga
Parang white.
nagbibigay
No, naabutan natin yon yung white something.
yung mga girls na
Yung
nagbibigay
Pag
sa
Valentine's. Pero merong white something na it's the other. Parang yung guys na nakatanggap tayo nun sa hotel ng chocolate. White, I forgot the term.
basta may ganun din sila, di ba? Magdalawang araw pa, may isa pa na nagsuswap sila ng kung sino magbibigay
Oo.
kanino.
Pero I don't like kasi yung iba to always make it grand.
Yeah.
Kasi syempre, not everyone has the same capacity. And yung guilt trip din na ginagamit sa relationship, parang hindi siya healthy for me.
Totoo
na
naman.
I-guilt trip mo especially yung pressure niyan more on sa guys. Pero, it's one day then to be creative. Parang ito talaga yung magpupush sa'yo na, yung creative ka naman. Not necessarily na ang mahal na restaurant
Oo.
or sobrang, yung iba kasi,
dito sa UP, pwede namang picnic.
yung iba kasi pabonggahan, syempre, the bigger the bouquet, the more expensive it is because it's really expensive.
Actually, nag-enjoy nga ako dyan kasi never naman ako bumili ng off-the-shelf na gawa na eh. So, lagi akong may gusto kong nababago aside from, it's always carnations.
Tapos,
Tapos,
I like carnations.
pinapa-arrange ko siya. And ang pinaka na-enjoy ko dyan, sa totoo lang, is my sense of pride and ego siguro yon. Na pagpaalis na ako, tinatanong ako nung mga lalaki bumibili doon, saan yan? So, para ko, with
Maarte
pride.
lang ako.
Arte lang po ako, pinakustomize ko siya dun sa likod. And usually to sa Farmers or sa Marikina.
But it's cuter then when it's celebrated ng high school ka. You know, yung mga teen. Kasi mas naging creative sila eh. Kasi because
Oo,
of the
kasi
limited
nga.
budget, so
Oo,
you write
totoo.
the letters, you make the cardboard something with a surprise. So that's cute.
Ayoko nang alalahanin yun. What's your personal love language and how did you figure it out? Oh.
So sa akin ang love language ko, receiving, na gusto ko is quality time.
Hindi ba physical touch?
And physical touch.
Sabagay,
Siyempre, pag
kasama
wala
naman
kang
yun.
time, paano mo siya hawakan? So, anyway. So, pero sa akin, love language ko is food. Wow. Hindi talaga
kasama
giving.
yun. Hindi kasama yun.
Bakit? I
Yung
like
food.
giving food.
Giving gifts ata yun.
Yeah.
Love language mo palabas.
Palabas. Giving food. So, hindi talaga more on gifts. But it's more on food.
Yeah, I feel loved kapag inuwian mo ko ng turon.
Yes.
Sa true lang.
Ikaw?
Giving.
Service.
Service talaga.
Service.
Meron ako dati na poster sa kwarto ko na if you want something done right, do it yourself. I share my love to others. Bongga.
May doing it yourself?
Yeah. Service. Yan. Kasi kapag nagka-problema yun, di sa akin tatawag yun, di ba? So, it's also a love for myself. Para hindi na madoble yung trabaho.
Parang nag-micromanage ka lang.
Receiving, service din. Parang as simple as, maliligo na ako tapos nilabas yung tuwalya for me. Parang ganun. I appreciate the little things.
So, as you can see, magkaiba yung love language namin. So, ang tip namin to a long-lasting relationship is you have to adjust. So,
And
communicate it
yung
and
expectations.
you really have to accommodate what your partner needs. So,
Is being single on Valentine's Day underrated or overhyped?
wait, what do you mean? Ikaw muna.
Sa
Para
akin
maintindihan ko
parang
yung question.
overhyped siya. It's not something that's bad. Kasi people see na January na, 2026
wala
na,
pa rin
single
ako.
pa rin, ganyan, kailan jowa, blah, blah, blah. I would understand, syempre, especially for those who are longing and matagal na rin silang single. Pero, it's not any different than any other day. Yun lang, naha-highlight lang siya kasi, lalo na pag lumabas ka ng bahay. Kita mo sa jeep, 5 of the guys inside the jeepney, may bit-bit na flowers na ibibigay
May
nila.
magbe-break din sila.
Grabe ka nun. Syempre, may longing factor. Pero for me, it's better to be single than to be in a toxic relationship.
True naman. And it's better to be single first and to know yourself first before being in a relationship. That's important for me.
What's something movies or social media get totally wrong about love and relationships?
That it's all butterflies and sunshines.
Sa akin, I think the version would be, while you're thinking, may dalawang sides eh. Yung isa, kung mahal mo, hindi mo susukuan. Tapos may isang version na kung mahal mo, ila-let go mo. Hindi siya end all be all. For me, parang it really depends on the situation. For others, 'di ba, parang that's how they measure if they are loved or kung gaano sila kamahal na isang tao. So I think that's movie-wise, social media-wise, that's something that's totally wrong or communicated in a wrong way.
Siguro sa akin, kung nag-usap lang kayo, wala na ring movie. So, madaming ganyan. Madaming gano'n na parang, hindi kasi kayo nag-usap, hindi sana wala ng conflict. Pero boring yung movie. So,
So, kaya kailangan gawa ng conflict.
ng konting
Tama naman.
miscommunication.
What's a relationship green flag you didn't appreciate until you got older?
Being on time. Since that shows also that your partner respects your time. Since,
Yeah. And actually, hindi lang yung partner. Like your friends, di ba?
Yes.
Na you don't always see them. Lalo na nitong nakaraang Christmas, di ba? Meron pa rin hindi makakapunta. Pero when you confirm that that you're going at a specific time, di ba? Huwag naman sana nagka-cancel last minute, ganyan.
So, lalagyan mo ng pag hindi pumunta, malas. So, since effective siya.
Sa akin would be remembering the small things.
Yeah.
Like, I went to this place, nakita kita. I went to this place,
May
naalala
ibang
kita.
kasama. That's all.
Hindi. And one of the things that I really appreciate with my friends, tawa.
No, may nag-viral na video na story kasi. Pumapasada siya, tapos nakita niya na ang sweet nung couple, tapos paglingon nung babae, girlfriend niya pala. Sorry ko, ikaw. You know,
Ano yung sinasabi ko?
little things. Sorry.
Little things. And which is super common na a lot of my friends know na nagko-collect ako ng shot glass.
Yeah. Oo.
So, even yung
Mga friends ko,
mga barkada niya,
siya yung may pasalubong.
kamag-anak, ganyan, na alam nila. So, may pupuntahan sila na lugar. Tapos, pagbalik nila, may pasalubong ako na, pakibigay kay Abby shot glass of where they went to. So, ang dami-dami ko ng shot glass ngayon. Siguro, last I checked, it's about 150 plus. It's the thought and the effort that counts. Kasi, hindi naman yun mura. Nagbigay sa akin, siguro hindi nila naalis yung price. Parang 7 pounds. Para ko, for this? Grabe naman. So, nakakataba ng puso na alala ka pa.
And mahirap
Ginastusan
siya,
ka pa.
hindi naman sa mahirap i-pack since it's small, but it's still fragile. So, the effort of, packing it for you.
And then remembering, tapos ipadala pa. Last question is, if you could redefine Valentine's Day as how we celebrate it today, what would it be about for you?
As in yung concept.
Yeah.
Well, it could be generally about love, not really about being in a relationship. Parang more of celebrating just love, an important person.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi parang medyo singled out yung, be my Valentine.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
there's just one person.
Parang very individualistic siya.
Oo. So if it's,
ang cute nila, ganyan
masaya.
sila.
So if that's the point, parang choosing someone special, it doesn't necessarily mean that it should be
One person.
No, it can be a one person
Okay.
thing, pero it should be romantic. Kasi it's hard to build. Parang wala nga pressure na romantic dapat. Pero special lang.
Yeah. I think because you mentioned nga yung that moment sa friends period ninyo before you all got into longer term, better relationships.
They're all my Valentine.
I think parang dapat maging siya rite of passage. Parang you have to do this with your friends. That would be nice. Na makasama mo yung mga kaibigan mo. Kasi nga 'di ba, it's so common na may mga nawawala tayong mga kaibigan kapag nagka-jowa na, hindi na natin makita or never na natin sila nakikita nang sila lang na lagi na silang may kasama. And of course, nalilimit na yung time. And it's part of growing up, part na yun ng adulting. Pero that would be a nice tradition in every group of friends siguro before getting serious. Yeah. Anything else?
Ano ibang question?
Wala na.
Yan na?
Overtime na nga tayo.
Ganun.
Oo.
Pero masaya, maaraw.
Yeah.
Baka gusto niyo pa mag-usap.
So there you have it. Some questions and answers that you might want to take on kahit kayo lang or with your partners to reflect on the upcoming Valentine's Day. And para naman dun sa mga single, that's going to be okay. Everything's going to turn out fine. I-share mo nga sa kanila yung you were saying na what you prayed for.
What I prayed for when? Wait, anong topic? I always pray.
Anong topic? Valentine's Day yung topic po dyan.
Kaya
sabi mo
remind
bago ka nagka-jowa, di ba sabi mo, pinagdasal mo. Can you remind me? I wasn't there. Lord.
Nagdasal ko na may kasama na ako sa simbahan. Every Sunday, may kasama na ako magsimba. So ano may checklist. Pero yun nga, sabi ko rin, may kasama rin ako sana mag-exercise. Pero ito na, after X long years, magkasama na kami.
Tagal ko na.
Wait, gusto ko lang i-share dahil tumatakbo ako dati. So, nung bago kami, sasamahan naman niya ako tumakbo. So, part check. So, mama siya. Habang tumatakbo ako, so every ikot ko dito, iba-iba yung kinakain niya. Tataho siya, ice cream siya.
Kasi mura lang pagkain dito.
So, ako lang yung tumatakbo, pero sinamahan niya ako mag-exercise.
Hindi ka specific sa prayer mo.
Yes.
Sinabi mo sana, kasama mong tumatakbo.
Oo.
Sinamahan naman kita, pero gusto kong mag-merienda.
Sinamahan naman niya ako mag-exercise. Okay. Nagkakatotoo siya. Prayers lang.
To be honest, Valentine's Day is what you make it. This is Abby.
And I'm Denise.
We'll see you next time.
Bye!